Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will talk about 6 simple but powerful things that can help you improve your English fast, without stress and without boring textbooks. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these 6 methods will help you speak better, understand more, and become more confident in English. If you follow them daily or even weekly, you'll start to notice clear improvement in your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation. So let's begin. And remember, at the end of the video, I'll give you a tip that connects all these methods into one strong routine. The first and most important thing you can do is listen to English every day. Listening is the key to understanding how real English sounds. You can listen to English through YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, or even music. Choose content you enjoy. This will keep you motivated. At first, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Over time, your ears and brain will begin to recognize common words, phrases, and pronunciation. Listening is how babies learn languages. They hear the same words again and again. That's how they learn to speak, and it works for you too. The second way to improve your English is to read simple stories. Stories are powerful because they have context, emotion, and structure. Reading teaches you new vocabulary, grammar, and sentence patterns without studying rules directly. You learn naturally just by reading. Start with short stories or English books for learners. As you get better, try biographies, fairy tales, or news articles written in easy English. Reading and listening to the same story can double your learning. Listen first, then read it, or the other way around. This helps you connect written and spoken English. The third thing is simple but often ignored. Speak English every day, even if you are alone. Yes, talk to yourself. You can describe your day, repeat sentences from a story, or pretend to talk to a friend. Speaking out loud trains your mouth and brain to use English naturally. If you want to sound fluent, you must practice making English sounds. Don't wait for someone to talk to you. Be your own speaking partner. Also, try to shadow. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say immediately. This is great for pronunciation and fluency. The fourth powerful method is to learn full phrases, not just individual words. For example, instead of learning go, learn go for a walk, go to the store, or go crazy. Learning phrases teaches you how words work together. This helps your speaking become more natural and smooth. It also helps you avoid grammar mistakes, because many common phrases already follow correct grammar rules. The more phrases you know, the faster you'll be able to build sentences and sound more like a native speaker. Number 5 is about writing and speaking together. When you write in English, try reading it out loud. This connects your writing and speaking skills. Start by keeping a simple English diary. Write 3 to 5 sentences every day about your life, thoughts, or feelings. Then read those sentences out loud. This daily habit improves grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence, all at the same time. It's a simple but very effective technique. Also, if you read English articles, try summarizing them in your own words, both in writing and by speaking. And number 6, watch English content with purpose. Don't just watch. Pause and repeat. Choose a short clip. Watch one sentence. Pause. Repeat it out loud. This trains your listening, pronunciation, and memory at the same time. It's even better if you record yourself and compare it to the original speaker. Try this with movie scenes, YouTube videos, or English lessons. You'll hear how native speakers really talk, and you'll learn how to talk like them. Watching with subtitles first can help, but try to turn them off as you improve. Challenge yourself to listen without reading. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me keep creating helpful English learning stories just for you. Don't forget to leave a comment.